Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create these crochet braid cornrows. Begin the hairstyle by creating the middle parting. Then I will create small triangle shapes on the front on the both sides of the parting. Then I will take the another one of the triangles, taking the small piece of hair from the outside edge, and then start the braid like a Dutch braid, bringing strands from side under to the middle and adding hair for the right-sided strand. So left under without adding, and then the right under, adding hair, left under, right under, add more hair, left under, right under, add hair again from the right side, left under, right under, add hair from the right side. Keep on repeating in this way until you braided the small triangle piece inside the braid. Now when the small triangle piece is ready, I keep on braiding on the bigger side on back, but on the right-sided section. So as the first piece was from the left side, the second one is from the right side. And now on, I will add hair from the both sides of the braid. Left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, and right under, add hair. Just keep on repeating this until you braided all the hair from the left side except the small triangle piece on front. After the last addings, I will continue the braid until the end of my hair. Next, I will repeat the same process to the other side. First, I spray some water to my hair so braiding will be easier. Small piece of hair from the outside edge of the triangle and start to braid like a Dutch braid, bringing strands from sides alternately under to the middle. On this side, I add hair from the left side of the braid, so again the braid will follow the outside line of the triangle as close to the parting as possible. So add hair from the left side, move the right strand under without adding more hair, then left under and add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Then just keep on repeating this pattern until you added the small triangle shape inside the braid. When you finish again with the triangle shape, move to the left-sided big piece behind and keep on braiding, adding hair from the both sides. Right under, add hair, left under, add hair. Right under, add hair, left under, add hair. And while you're doing this, I suggest you to look up time after time to check out that the braid will be symmetric. As these pieces on back side are so big, it's easy to make them look pretty different if you don't make sure that the braid will follow the same lines. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!